Hello, my name is Jillian Connor, and my research proposal is exploring how waste and emission production of libraries impact the environment. Introduction. Climate change is impacting the environment more than ever. Single institutions, such as libraries, can contribute to climate change. This study will help understand how libraries are producing waste and emissions. Problem statement. Libraries are producing an excess amount of waste and carbon emissions, leading to negative impacts on the environment. These negative impacts can be harmful to the natural environment and lead to increasing the effects of climate change. Research questions. How many pounds of paper waste does each library produce each year? How much money is spent on electricity and gas each year at the libraries? How can excess waste and emissions be reduced? Does each institution have a green initiative already in place? How do employees feel about green initiatives at their institutions? Literature review. Qualitative and quantitative resources were used. All sources in the review cover ideas involving green ideas and libraries. The review is broken down into 4 different sections: green practices, green building, global spread, and green digitization. Methodology. Qualitative and quantitative methods were used to collect data, so mixed methods allowed different kinds of data to be collected. The study will gather numerical stats and personal thoughts of the library employees. Methodology Part 2. The study will take place over the course of a year. It will start January 1st and end December 31st. So 10 libraries in Louisiana will participate along with 20 employees. So the 20 employees will come from the head librarians and head of maintenance from each library. Grounded theory will also be used. This will allow us to create our own theory and answers from the data we collect. Methodology Part 3. The 20 employees will be given questionnaires before and after the study to see if their answers to the questions have changed after the results of the data have come out. Numerical data on amounts of waste and emissions will be gathered every month and compiled at the end of the year. The numerical data will be entered into a shared Excel sheet, which will allow me to also look at the data that's being inputted. The goal of the study: better understand the impacts libraries can have on negatively impacting our environment, and to encourage green practices in libraries all throughout the nation and the world. Here are the references that were used, and hopefully you found that somewhat interesting and want to hear more about my research proposal and green initiatives in libraries and how they can reduce waste and emissions. Thank you for listening and have a good day.